Good day, my dear students. How are you? How are you getting on? Let me introduce myself. My name is Elisa Karabаева. I am an English teacher at the chair of practical course of English. Now let's start our English lesson. Today's our new theme is acute appendicitis. What is acute appendicitis? Acute appendicitis is an inflammation of the appendix. Now we'll take new words from the text. Look at the screen, please. Infant. She was seriously ill as an infant. Sharp pain. Both kinds of headaches are by sharp pain that comes on suddenly. Abdomen. The nurse tapped the patient's abdomen. Coughing. He was coughing and sneezing all day. Nausea. Many women experience feeling of nausea during pregnancy. Retention of stools. Acute appendicitis is accompanied by retention of stools. Tongue. The tongue is coated and dry. Dry. Her mouth felt dry and her knees weak. Deep breathing. The pain becomes worse on deep breathing in and coughing. Now I'll give you some information about acute appendicitis. Acute appendicitis is known to occur in all age groups. Cases of appendicitis may occur even in infants and in very old age. Acute appendicitis begins suddenly with sharp pain which is at first felt in epigastrium but then becomes generalized in the abdomen. The pain becomes worse on deep breathing in and coughing. It is accompanied by nausea, vomiting, retention of stools, and gas. Sometimes constipation or diarrhea may be present. The temperature is normal or subfebrile. The attack of appendicitis may last to 3-4 days. Then the temperature returns to normal. Abdominal pain decreases and only moderate tenderness is felt in the right lower part of the abdomen on palpation. Acute appendicitis is treated surgically. The operation is performed either under local or under general anesthesia. The appendix is removed immediately to prevent its rupture, which may result in peritonitis. Such forms of appendicitis as gangrenous and perforating are particularly dangerous to life. Thank you for your attention.